इयत्ता 8वी तुकडी ड चॅप्टर नंबर 2 रिव्हिजन हेल्थ अँड डिसीज. One word in following sentence in wrong, change it to the next sentence. Culexa muscata is seen clear water. Culexa muscata is seen in dirty water. Transmission of swine flu is done by dog and human being. Transmission of swine flu is done by pig and human being. Hydrophobia is the main symptom of typhoid. Hydrophobia is main symptom of rabbit. Match the column. Match the column. Bacterial disease, bacteria, typhoid, chlorella, diarrhea, tuberculosis, bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculi, Bacillus Vibrio-chloria, Salmonella typhi, Salmonella typhi, Chlorella Vibrio-chloria, diarrhea, Bacillus tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Identify the odd number. Malaria, hepatitis, elephantiasis, dengue. Hepatitis, all diseases are in by carried mosquito. Plague, AIDS, chlorella, TB, AIDS, all other bacterial in case of bacteria disease. Chemistry, radiation, therapy, surgery, Panamima. Typhoid and tuberculosis. Difference between typhoid in case by bacteria Salmonella that is passed by contaminated food and water is spread through in housefly. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria Mycobacterium which pass through the palatal of participant. The infection of typhoid is through food, water, via the mouth. Infection of tuberculosis is through ear, via nose. Typhoid affected stomach and intestine. Tuberculosis affected lungs and chest. There is high fever for specific period in typhoid. There are continuous low-grade fever in tuberculosis. There is stomatitis and head cheese in typhoid. There is chest pain in tuberculosis. Make list viral disease: AIDS, hepatic influenza, rabies, polio, diabetics, hepatic muscular dystrophy, color blindness. Sorry. Bacteria disease: typhoid, tuberculosis, chlorella, Lepri. Drinking boiled at filter water. When water is boiled, all disease causing pathogen present in killed. Different diseases like chlorella, enteritis, diarrhea, dysentery, hepatic typhoid are incased by such water-borne pathogen. If we boiled the water, we are protected against all such disease. It water is filtered, we can avoid infection from pneumatic Dracula, which case narrow by boiling the filtering water, even epidemics by such infection disease can control. Avoiding the smoking and alcoholism. Smoking and alcoholism are two dangerous habits that in addiction, alcoholism causes disorder of liver. The addict should suffer from malnourishment. His mental and psychological condition become abnormal. There is social and familial impact too due to alcoholism. Smoking in invitation for cancer category. Boiled beets, their lizardation. Nicotine is not only toxin but also calcitoxia, cancer of oral cavity, tongues, respiratory tract. Lungs is very common among the smoke. Therefore, addiction like smoking, alcoholism should be always avoided. Proper checking of blood before blood donation. There are definite blood group during blood transfusion. Donor and recipient blood should be well matched. with each other. Otherwise, blood get completed inside body, restricted through reflected blood. Virus in casing hepatitis B, AIDS transmitted to health person. This for prevention transmission of such disease. Blood should be checked before blood donation. Which are various media of separating the infection disease. Infected disease spread through contaminated air, water, food, vectors such insect, animal and man. Give the name of five non-infection disease other given in lesson. Asthma, cataract, disease of kidney such as kidney stone, real future arthritis, Alzheimer's, which is condition during the old age, hypertension, migraine. What are the main reasons of diabetes and heart disease? Improper lifestyle, wrong type of diet, track, excessive mental stress and strain, balanced in secreted hormones are main reason of diabetes and heart disease. Dengue. Dengue is transmitted through bite of mosquito of Aedes aegypti D12 virus belonging to type Fusarium is insective pathogen for dengue. Whenever these stagnant accumulated water, there possibility of mosquito breeding. Therefore, care in to the taken drain of such water. This is way of important preventive measuring especially in man-made container and it clean water. Aedes mosquito performed breed. Therefore, water store should be either converted cancer. The most important preventing measure to remains away from carcinogenetic substance, tobacco, gutka, cigarette, BD are adjusted things in which are very bad for health. The nicotine present is in case of oral cavity and respiratory system. Radiation can should cancer. We should not expose outside hazardous radiation. Balanced and health diet, proper excessive living, stress free with the mental balance are some of preventing measures of cancer. It's when blood transfusion is done, the blood should be checked from presence of HIV. This used spring needle should not used without sterilization through the blood and blood product as and body fluid. HIV find it away into body. Therefore, precaution should be taken. Unsafe sexual contact in most important mode of transmission of HIV. This one should be detailed deal with such dangerous act. Awareness about AIDS and HIV is the real preventive measure. Write the information on modern diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Following methods are used: diagnostic method, detect cancer. The technique like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography.